What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're going to be doing a mid-fade comb over with a lineup, so stay tuned. We started off by saturating the hair and combing everything in place. Now that we're done laying down this hair, we switched over to our T-outliners and then we made our first guideline. You always want to make sure you contour this guideline to their head shape so the fade can flow better. Also, make sure you use your opposite hands to stretch the skin when needed. Now we can move on to our foil shavers and remove the stubble. Make sure to flick out about 1 centimeter away the first guideline. Now that we're done balding them out, we can move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. You want to make sure you make this guideline around 1 inch so you have enough room to spread the blend. Now that we're done setting in that guideline, we can close the lever and begin to fade. Every centimeter you want to make sure you open up the lever. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to the 1 guard all the way open and create our third guideline. Remember to use the lever to soften up this line and get it ready for the half guard. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Now that we're done softening up the line with the 1 guard, we can move on to the half guard and erase the line completely. Moving on to the 2 guard all the way open, we're creating our 4th guideline and we're making sure we feed the hair into the clipper with the comb. Remember to use the lever to soften up the line and get it ready for the 1.5 guard. Now that the line is soft enough, we can move on to the 1.5 guard and erase the line completely. When using the 1.5 guard, there's still a faint line, so switching over to your 1 guard all the way open and using its corners will help you erase that faint line. Now that we're done with our lower guards, we can move on to our clipper over comb method and begin to debulk and create our silhouette. Remember to keep the hair slightly damp so you can feed the hair into the clipper a lot easier. Also, when the cutting blade is horizontal, I'm debulking, and when the cutting blade is vertical, I'm blending. Moving on to the C-cup area, we're grabbing our Andis T-outliners and we're starting off at the bottom and working our way to the top arch. You also want to make sure you go very slow here so the hair can feed into the trimmer. Sometimes there's still a faint line after using the half guard, so switching over to your no guard all the way open and using the raking technique will help. If you're unfamiliar with the raking technique, that's when you tilt your clipper at a 75 to 90 degree angle and you use the length of the teeth of the clipper to blend. Moving on to his front line, we're going to go ahead and separate the top from the bottom and debulk with the one guard all the way open. Now that we're done debulking his hairline, we can move on to our anti-T outliners and start off in the middle and work our way to the sides. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Thank you. Moving on to our Turkish razor and Derby premium blades, we're going to make them as crispy as possible, and we're also going to do his eyebrows. When using the razor, you always want to make sure you lather the skin with some shave gel and you pull the skin as much as you can and also keep the blade at a 45 degree angle.